There's absolutely nothing I was not able to manifest. And there's nothing in this world you cannot manifest. Money, I got it. Healthy relationship with myself, I got it. Play button, I got it. An apartment for myself, I got it. Trust me, I have manifested a lot of things into my life. Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fine. The reason I'm saying good morning is because mornings make me feel very powerful. It's a new start, it's a new beginning, it's another chance to start over. I love mornings. Anyways, I am back with another law of attraction video which was requested by so many of you guys. So if you have not watched my other law of attraction videos, what are you doing? And if you have watched it already, welcome to part 4, I think. After posting those videos, a lot of you guys asked me about affirmations, that you don't know how to do affirmations, you don't know how to create your own affirmations. So I partnered up with Grand Rising to help you guys out. So basically, Grand Rising, an app that is used for affirmations. It has all different types of affirmations: wealth, happiness, abundance, love, body image, health. This app has affirmations for all, and it is the only app that actually uses your name in affirmations. I will speak about this app later in this video. For now, let's get right into the video. So, starting off with the importance of having a manifestation routine. Just answer this one question. What does every successful person have in common? A routine. Trust me, every successful person, every person who has their shit together always has a routine. There's always a specific way they do their thing. There's always a way they manage their day, and they follow a specific routine. This is why having a routine is important even when it comes to manifesting your desire. And second thing is consistency. I've already explained this before. Consistency is the key to achieving anything. You want a good body, you got to be consistent in the gym. You want good grades, you got to be consistent with studying. You want a healthy relationship with somebody, you gotta be consistent in putting the effort. For anything in life, you gotta be consistent. For example, even for me, when I first started YouTube, I was not consistent at all. So ever since I started being consistent, my channel grew, the family grew, and also a manifestation routine will help you to not fall into negative thoughts and limiting beliefs. The more you keep doing it, the more you yourself will start believing everything, which is very important. And affirmations. Trust me, affirmations play an important role in manifestation. Affirmations are used everywhere. I will explain how later in this video. So the first thing I do in my manifestation routine is when I wake up, I tell myself 5 things I'm grateful for. For example, I'm grateful for the water that I drank. I'm grateful for the McDonald's meal I had last night. I'm grateful for having the opportunity to go to university and study. And then I move on to affirmations. Affirmations, whatever I feel like saying that day. That could be my thoughts are getting more and more positive every day, or I am in full control of my thoughts, which means I am in full control of my emotions. Let me tell you why it's important to do it in the morning. Because when you wake up with a fresh mind. You are not tired. You are waking up with so much energy. Your vibration is already high. Your mind is clear. And that is the perfect time to tell your affirmations, start your manifestation routine. And I personally do that all while appreciating the warmth of the sun. I just love connecting myself with nature. If it's not winter, I open the window, I just put my head out the window and I say it out loud to myself, things I'm grateful for and my affirmation. If you are having trouble with affirmations, you could always go to Grand Rising app. There are so many different affirmations that you could use. Like I said earlier, they have affirmations for every category and so many other affirmations that you could just pick from. I know in the beginning of my journey in the law of attraction, I did have a lot of trouble picking out affirmations and making my affirmations. So if you're a beginner, this app is extremely helpful. Using a key affirmation to set the day. I pick one affirmation for the day. Now here's the thing, it is very important to set an affirmation that is believable. For example, you say, I am rich and beautiful. Now, this phrase will not actually make you feel good or beautiful. So you need to say something that will actually make you feel like, yes, you are rich and you are beautiful. For example, I now have a wealthy mindset and I continue to find beauty in myself and everyone around me. And when you are using the app Grand Rising, they already have these affirmations created and written so well. And second thing is trigger emotion. Trust me guys, the way you feel when you say affirmations is the most important thing, and I cannot stress this enough. It's important to put feelings and emotions and etc. into your affirmations. For example, it feels amazing to make enough income so that my parents don't have to work anymore. Or you can say, it feels so good to be happy with the body that I have, that I worked hard for. Another thing, question format. Now I know that you guys have probably never heard of it because I was not aware of it much before, but thanks to Grand Rising, I actually discovered this question method. For example, you are working in a company, you are doing sales. Your monthly goal is to bring 500,000 into the company. And this is what you want to manifest. You want to impress your boss, you want to reach your goals, you want to get that commission, girl. Instead of saying, my company now brings in $500,000 in revenue a month, the question format can be, how does my company now bring in $500,000 in monthly revenue? So these are some examples of how you can turn your affirmations into question format. Basically what this does is you are answering the question yourself. Like, who is doing it? You are. I'm asking the question, who's doing it? I'm doing it. So you sort of get how this works. And the other one is using your name. Using your name in sentences. Like, for example, how is Nimesha always so happy? No matter the circumstance. Everything always works out for Nimesha. Nimesha is in tune with the abundant nature of the universe. You see, putting your name into affirmations is a very effective way of manifesting things. Grand Rising already has that feature on their app where you just have to insert your name and all your affirmations will just come with your name on it, and all you have to do is put in the work. That means reading it, feeling it, and actually working towards your goal. And the last but the most important thing is avoid using words of resistance. Do not wake up in the morning and set the intention of, I don't want to work extra hours at the office today. Instead, you can say, I am so happy that I'm getting off work early today. Or you can say, I feel so good that I finished all my work so early that I get to go home 2 hours before my actual time. You can be specific. Honey, being specific will actually get you what you want more faster. It has always worked for me. If I want something, I get into the details. I describe every little thing. The other thing I do is scripting. I don't usually do this every day, but I do this at least 4 to 5 times a week. I use different methods. That can be 555, the 369 method. I usually use the 369 method. 369 is a method that has always worked for me. And along with that, when I'm scripting, I always use affirmations. And then the last part of my routine is what I do throughout the days. When I'm off uni or when I'm working, when I take a little break, I tell myself affirmations. So I say tiny little affirmations throughout the day. And here's the best part. So Grand Rising actually has affirmations as notifications. Don't tell me that you don't look into your phone when you get a notification. And this is one of the best ways to read out affirmations. You hear a notification, you read it. So this is what I actually do throughout the day. I tell myself affirmations. Now doing this has actually gotten easier since I started using Grand Rising. I can just be in class, I will see this notification, I will read it, feel it, and I'm done. And then again, maybe after a while later, I will do it again. Yeah, that's about it for my manifestation routine. And although this is a sponsored video, you guys, my opinions are always honest. If something is not liked by Nimesha, I'm straightforward. I will tell you I don't like it. And I honestly believe that this app is actually very helpful. So if you would like to download the app in the Apple Store, the link will be in the description box below. You can go check it out. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.